Have you ever tried incorporating text into pictures using Midjourney or Leonardo AI? This is not quite what we are looking for, is it? We have a solution for you. Ideogram AI. This free AI-powered tool can create high-quality pictures like these. But where the tool really shines is in its ability to integrate text into the images. To use the tool, go to Ideogram.ai. Log in using your Google account. Let's try the following prompt. A cute cartoon-style drawing of a smiling baby boy with black hair, wearing a red hoodie named Elias. We have the choice between three aspect ratios, 10:16, 1:1, or 16:10. Let's go with the square option. Okay, this is a nice result, but the text is not quite what it should be. Let's add typography, photo, 3D render, and cinematic, and try again. This yields a better result. Let's take a look at the second image. We will save it to upscale it later. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can always regenerate the images. Here are some of the generated images. To upscale them, we will use pixelcut.ai. Navigate to Tools, Image Upscaler, and upload your image. We will choose to increase the image size by 4 times. You can then download your upscaled image to your local drive. Would you consider switching from Midjourney or Leonardo to Ideogram? Let us know in the comments below.